Hello.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, Rushikesh, you are.
Yes,
Good
yes.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can you just turn on your camera?
Yes, yes. Is it visible?
Yes.
Right.
So, yes, we will quick start with your brief introduction.
Yes. Hello, my name is Rushikesh. I have done my engineering in computer science from VIT Pune under Pune University. I have 2 years of experience in front-end development. I have strong foundation in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Bootstrap. I am specialized in building front-end applications with Angular, and I'm always eager to learn and upgrade my skills. That's it from my side.
Okay. As you told, you have 2 years of experience.
Yes.
Can you brief me about your previous projects?
Uh, it's a project about e-commerce in electric component segment. So it's about e-commerce where it's a e-commerce website where people or customers can buy stuff related to electrical components from bigger components like transformers, uh, which can be used in industries to the components where which can be used in houses. Yeah.
What was your role?
My role was a front-end developer, so I had to design the user interface. There, it was about the front-end website, the website part where the users can log in and see the products. They can search through the list of the products listed on the website.
That's it. In 2 years, you did this much only.
Uh, this was a big project as it's a e-commerce project. So most of the time, like half of the time, it was about development, and the rest was about fixing the bugs or adding the uh, additional components or features to the website.
Can you brief me about a recent bug that you have
Uh,
fixed?
uh, so. mm, Mm, I'm not able to explain right now, but mm,
You can tell me about your challenges that you faced.
right. Mm,
Okay, let it be.
okay, right.
What was your team size?
Can you repeat?
What was your team size?
Team size. It was four, six people. Three in front end, two in back end, and one team leader.
And do you have any experience of deploying or hosting the
Um,
website?
no, not at big scale.
Then who does in your team?
Uh, I there was a separate, I guess, who a separate person who was specialized in deploying.
I guess.
Yes.
So, Rishikesh, can you tell me about what is prototypical inheritance in JavaScript?
Yes. Uh, in prototypical inheritance, we can inherit the properties and methods of an class or class to implement them in the way we want, or according to the functions we want to implement.
Can you brief more?
Uh, like in arrays, there are built-in methods like slice or toString, uh, or there are like map, uh, reduce. So we can use those, or we can add different methods of our like custom-made methods to array, and which can be used in used across all the arrays functionalities in the project.
Are you sure about what you are saying?
Yes.
Okay. What is event loop?
Event loop.
Yes.
Mm, Event loop is a uh, mm, like a uh, inbuilt or it's the mechanism by which uh, external sorry or the events or the mm, async operations uh, are handled. Uh, mm, I'm not able to explain right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how does the new keyword work internally in JavaScript?
Mm, as it is used to create objects of a class uh, um internally. I don't know. Mm,
Just tell me how does it differ from a normal function call?
Normal, right. Uh, so normal function, uh, uh, suppose there is a, um, um, uh, just a minute. Con uh, let's say there is constructor function, and we uh, call that function using new keyword or without new keyword. Then the difference will be with new keyword, an object will be created, whereas without a new keyword, a simple function call will be made. Can I do the coding example of it?
No, no, let's be.
Uh,
Okay, tell me what happens when you define a getter or setter on an object. Means how do they impact the performance of JavaScript runtime?
Getter and setter. function methods in an function
like on an object,
right on an object.
and how they will impact the performance of JavaScript runtime.
Mm, no idea.
Do you know object.create?
Right. It's one of the methods to create an object.
And how does it differ from using a constructor function or class?
Mm, Syntactically, it's a difference, but then uh, no idea.
Okay, tell me about call, bind, and apply.
Call find. No idea, sir. I mean, I read, but I'm not able to recall it.
Okay, tell me what is the difference between heap memory in JavaScript.
Uh, Stack memory and heap memory.
Yeah,
Right. Stack memory is where a uh, primitive data types are stored, as well as the function calls are stored. And on the heap memory, there are where objects or non primitive data types are stored, and these are dynamically created and destroyed.
no, no. Tell me about the memory allocation.
Memory allocation. Uh, let's say uh, an object is created. So the whole object is allocated memory in the heap, and uh, the reference variable is stored on the stack.
Yeah, sure. Okay,
Hello?
let it be.
Oh,
What are the different types of compilations?
what are different type of
Compilations.
compilations? Mm, mm, Runtimes or no, like I didn't understand the question.
I've heard about just in time, ahead of time.
Mm, can you repeat? Just in time and ahead of time.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I heard what. Mm,
Okay, let it be.
okay.
Do you know how the global functions and lexical environments work together?
Mm, uh, it's your I mean, it's done using scope chaining. like uh,
Just
the
tell me what is the role of the lexical environment?
what is the
Role of the lexical environment.
okay. So lexical environment is the where the function is placed in the code, where uh, the variables and functions are placed in the code. If the variables are placed in a function or curly braces, then it has its own scope, and the functions placed in another function or in the global scope, they have their different scope. Uh, mm, yeah, I mean, the different scopes are created, and accordingly uh, the functions and their functions and variables get their values.
Do you know what happens if you await a non-promise value in a async function?
Uh, I think uh, it it's the same way as a promise value and gives the value. Uh, I'm not sure about this.
Do you know about Zone.js?
About Node.js,
Zone.
Zone.js.
Yeah.
No, no idea.
Do you know how to increase about the JavaScript search engine optimization?
Uh, can you repeat the
Means
question?
what steps should one follow to increase the search engine optimization?
Okay. In HTML, you can use semantic tags
Okay.
uh, and better metadata, and yeah, these are the primary steps you can do for better SEO optimization.
Can you differentiate between client side rendering and server side rendering?
Mm, Client side rendering is where the web page is rendered on a browser or the client side, and server side rendering is where the web page is uh, rendered on a server side.
What is JavaScript? It's a client side or server side?
It's a server side, sorry, client side language.
Client side. What is better for a search engine optimization?
Server side.
Okay. Do one thing.
Hmm.
Clear your screen.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Open any JS compiler online button.
Online compiler.
Yes.
Yes. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Copy this from chat.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Flatten this array without using any predefined methods.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You have done it?
Yes.
Let me see. Can you explain your code?
Yes, sir. So this is just testing. So this is the output array, empty output array we've taken.
Okay.
Then we iterate through the array. Since this is a 2D array, we iterate it through two times. First for this simple array, and then sorry, this for the this each and every element in this ARR, and then this loop is for the each of the object in the array. So let I is equal to 0, 0 to till the array of length, means entire array. And then this one is for the each of the array item. So this will be array. So till the array length of the each item of the array, which is itself an array. So we have to take the length. So it will look through each of the element to get the element in that array, the nested array. So here the which is temporary variable to store each nested array item, and then we take the each of the item of the nested array item, and we push it to output. Now the problem for this item is it's not an array, it's just a number. So we apply if else to filter out the number. So we filter out the number and push it to the array.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Use this compiler.
Okay. Yes.
Copy this.
Yes.
I think you got an idea what to do.
Okay. So only this
No,
what
no,
is
every alphabet.
every alphabet. Okay.
Yes.
Should I should it be capital or small?
Anything. Your choice.
Anything. Uh,
Try to not to use predefined methods.
okay. Yes, it's correct.
Tell me one thing, how many times in your name R is there?
One and two, three times.
And how it is correct?
Okay. Can't use the lowercase or uppercase method.
Okay, you can use that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
See? Okay,
Yes.
copy this.
Yes.
I want you to write a function for me that like suppose you pass a function in argument two,
Hmm.
the function should return the whole object.
Okay.
Suppose you got a brief
It
idea.
should match with the ID, right?
Suppose you wrote a block of code, right?
Right, right.
Whenever you call the function and you pass the argument of the ID, suppose
Yes,
ID number three, the
yes. Entire
they
object showed the output.
yes, it should return the entire object which is everything, company name, CO name, batch number, everything.
Right, right.
Rikesh, try to not to use this.
Inbuilt methods.
Yes, if
Okay,
it's not going properly, then you can use.
okay,
But
okay.
in first try, don't use it.
Right. Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. On the third
Just
parameter and the output.
pass something different.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
Make it in ascending order, like without using predefined methods.
All right.
Rushikesh, do you want to continue or you want to quit?
No, sir. Done, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good. Send me this code in chat.
Yes. All the codes are this one.
No, 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 this one.
Okay.
Okay, Rushikesh, I'm done from my side. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye. You can leave
Yes.
now.
Bye. Thank you, sir.